Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Diof. In today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup look that can go with this beautiful bob right here from Nadula hair. The installation for this video will be down below, and I will talk more about the hair towards the end of the video, but we're gonna beat this face real quick. So for this beat, I'm thinking about using Beauty Blender because it is such a light beat when I use their products. It is hot outside. That's another reason why I haven't been doing makeup looks, because if I put my AC on, it's just gonna be mad loud. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover and I'm already sweating, so we're gonna get to beating this face. So first thing first, we're going to prime my face using Mineral Infused by e.l.f. So it was a point in time where I would do my eyes first and then I would do my face, and then it was a point in time where I would do my face first and then I would do my eyes. So in today's video, we're gonna do our face first, then we're gonna go back in and see what we could do with some eyeshadow. Since we started off with the face, we're gonna be using Beauty Blender, the shade 4.70 for foundation. So for concealer, we're going to be using Beautiful Bronze by LA Girl Pro. Guys, I feel like I didn't do this in so long. It's so crazy. Like I do this on a regular, but it's the eyeshadow. But I know I'm a finesse. That's how you gotta be. You gotta tell yourself that you're going to finesse. So guys, at the same time, we're going to contour our face using Fenty Toffee Tease. Set your face. I'm using the translucent powder by Thrive Cosmetics. So guys, while this is setting, we're gonna go ahead and contour our face, and then we're gonna go get into the eyes. Y'all know I keep it a buck with y'all, so we gonna do this. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm just gonna put a little bit up there, and we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. I'm just gonna set my eyelids with this color right here. It's like a light brown. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark brown right here. It's not a dark brown, it's like a cocoa color. And you're just gonna put that on top. This is like a nude look. So guys, now we're going to add our liner and then our lashes, and then, you know, we'll see what's next. Now we're going to add our lashes. Guys, this neutral look looks so cute. Like, you know, I never really did a neutral look before. I'm excited. This is from Young Africana's collection. Y'all, I wish I could zoom in so y'all could see how much my nose is sweating. Guys, now we're gonna go in with our Kiss powder and just, you know, dab in. I'm just gonna go back in with my contour. So now I'm just gonna line my lips. I might go back in and contour my nose, because, you know, I feel like this is a full beat, so you supposed to, feel me? It just looks a little bit different when you don't. I'ma obviously blend that out. Okay guys, so now we're going to highlight our face. I don't put that much highlight, even though that looks like a lot, but there's really like a certain way that I do my makeup. I don't be looking like I want to put too much. I'm going to be blushing today because I'm a blush. Nah, I think that's enough. Oh, this is cute. Blush really brings out the beat, and I never blush. All right, so I'm guessing this is it, you know, this is the beat. I didn't know that it was gonna come out this cute. So now I'm gonna tell y'all all the information on this beautiful bob. So guys, this bob is from Nadula Hair. The installation video is going to be down below. It is 150 density, 13x4 frontal lace front wig, and the wig came 12 inches, but I cut it down. Yeah guys, this bob was really easy to install. As you can see, it looks very natural. It is glueless. Like, let me see if I can pick this up for y'all real quick. Boom. I just went ahead and added elastic bands on the side. So yeah, this bob is very convenient. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sending me this bob. One thing I gotta say though, if y'all gonna buy this bob, make sure y'all get 130 density, and took a lot of plucking to customize this bob. That was the only con about this wig. So that was the only thing that got me tight about this wig. Like, this hairline did not look like this. I had to pluck it for it to look like this. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sending me this beautiful bob. If y'all want to see more videos like this, just let me know down below, because I really be running out of content. Like, I don't be knowing what to do, but I think I'm gonna be doing more natural beats like this. Bye guys.